I am Usha Pathak. Please accept my hate in your fate and love to youngers. English is the most important language. Every person knows that English is a compulsory language all over the world because it is an official language. Teach your children before their school starts through object's name, which is found in our surrounding. You introduce them all kind of objects so they may understand that object very well. In England, when a baby is born, their parents speaks only English language with the child. Gradually, their child grown up to hear some object's name or with some sentences. But their baby doesn't know alphabet or grammar rules, but they speak English language. I only want to say that when your baby is very young and you want that your baby should know English language, then you should introduce them many kinds of objects name. Again and again, words should be repeated by elders. Today, I will complete 100 objects name if you have seen my previous video audio. All words are very important for beginners. Come dear, sit with me. We will learn today some another object's name which you must know to get better understanding in your life. First word is hut. A hut is a small, roughly built house which is made of straw, mud, and wood. Palace. A palace is a very large house in which there are many rooms and facilities as for honorable person like king, queen. Mud. A mud is a sticky and wet mixture of soil. Nail. A nail is a sharp and small piece of metal. People use it to stuck things on a wall by hitting with hammer. Millet. Millet is a kind of cereal. People grow it as food. Wheat. Wheat is a cereal from which you grind into flour for to make bread. Seed. Seed is very hard part of fruit from which you grow a new plant. Cane. A cane is a stem of plant which is long and hollow. Towel. A towel is a piece of cloth which people use to dry himself after wash or bath. Yarn. Yarn is a thread which is made of cotton and wool. People use it for knitting and warming clothes. Mattress. A mattress is a bed which is made of stuffed material. People put it on the bed to make soft. Jacket. A jacket is a coat which is short with long sleeves and its opening is at the front. Overcoat. A overcoat is a long warm cloth with long sleeves. People wear it in winter season. Battery. A battery is an apparatus for produce electricity. It is used in torch and radio or many other uses may be possible. Puppet. A puppet is a small doll-like figure which is moved by wire in a mock drama. Gown. A gown is a garment which women, clergymen, lawyers, judges are wear. A very long loose robe women are worn for feeling comfortable. Flute. A flute is a musical instrument. Musicians play flute for amusement. Soap. A soap is a substance which people use for cleaning yourself or for washing clothes. Sack. A sack is a bag which is made of rough woven material. It is useful for keep and store goods. Spear. A spear is a tool with long handle and has sharp point. Razor. A razor is a very thin and sharp tool. People use it for shaving. Wick. A wick is a string in a candle. It is burn when it is lit. Plate. A plate is a flat surface pot which people use when they eat food. Clove. A clove is woolen made warm cloth which people wore in winter to keep warm his hand. Rusk. A rusk is a kind of crispy biscuit made of flour and milk. Please subscribe my channel, like and share also.